Have you ever wondered how space exploration influences your everyday life? It's not just about astronauts and rockets. It's about the ripple effect of innovation that touches nearly every corner of our world. NASA, the world-renowned space agency, is not only a leader in space exploration, but also a driving force behind technological breakthroughs that have transformed our daily lives. From the comfort of your bed to the tools in your garage, from the purity of your drinking water to the sunglasses you wear, NASA's research and technological advancements are more present in your life than you might realize. In this video, we'll explore 5 remarkable NASA innovations that have seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives, making them more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. Imagine sinking into a mattress that cradles you to sleep each night. That perfect blend of comfort and support. You can thank NASA for that. The story of memory foam begins in the mid-1960s, when NASA sought a material to enhance the safety of aircraft cushions. The goal was to create something that could absorb shock and provide support during long missions. The result was viscoelastic polyurethane foam, better known as memory foam. This innovative material could mold itself to the shape of an astronaut's body, distributing weight evenly and returning to its original form once the pressure was released. While originally intended for spacecraft, the potential for comfort back on Earth was undeniable. Today, memory foam is found in mattresses, pillows, shoes, and even medical equipment like wheelchair cushions, offering a perfect balance of comfort and support that has revolutionized how we sleep. If you've ever smiled confidently with invisible braces, you can trace that grin back to NASA. The quest for a material that could withstand the extreme heat of space re-entry led to the development of translucent polycrystalline alumina, a type of ceramic that is both heat-resistant and transparent. Originally used in missile trackers, this material's unique properties caught the attention of orthodontists. They saw an opportunity to use this strong, clear ceramic to create braces that were far less noticeable than traditional metal ones. This breakthrough transformed orthodontic treatment, making it more appealing for adults and teens alike. What began as a material designed for space technology has since become a game-changer in the world of dental care, helping people achieve perfect smiles with minimal visibility. Ever wondered why your eyeglasses don't scratch easily? The secret lies in NASA's pioneering research. When preparing for space missions, NASA needed to ensure that astronauts' helmet visors could withstand the harsh conditions of space, resisting dust, debris, and cosmic radiation, while still providing crystal-clear vision. NASA developed a special protective coating that was exceptionally durable, scratch-resistant, and capable of reducing glare. This technology didn't just stay in space, it was adapted for use on Earth, finding a new purpose in eyeglasses and sunglasses. Today, this advanced coating not only protects your lenses from scratches, but also enhances your vision by reducing reflections and glare, all while offering UV protection, a true example of space technology improving everyday life. The cordless power tools in your garage? You have NASA to thank for that. In the vast emptiness of space, astronauts needed lightweight, portable, and cordless tools to perform various tasks during their missions. Traditional tools tethered by cords were impractical in the zero-gravity environment of space. Recognizing this, NASA partnered with Black & Decker to develop a battery-powered, cordless drill for the Apollo moon missions. Designed to extract rock samples from the lunar surface, this drill had to be both powerful and compact, capable of operating in extreme temperatures. The success of this space tool inspired the development of cordless power tools for use back on Earth, bringing the convenience and portability of space technology into our homes and workshops. Water is essential for life, and NASA's innovations ensure that not a drop goes to waste, even in space. Imagine being on a space mission where every drop of water counts. With no rivers or rain, astronauts rely on closed-loop systems that purify and recycle water, ensuring a constant supply of clean water. These advanced purification systems remove impurities and contaminants, making the water safe to drink again and again. But NASA's technology isn't just for space. It has had a profound impact on Earth, particularly in developing efficient water filters for home use. These filters can turn contaminated water into clean, safe drinking water, a game changer for those living in areas without reliable access to clean water. Beyond health benefits, these filters also help reduce plastic waste by decreasing our reliance on bottled water, making life on Earth healthier and more sustainable. In this first part of our journey through NASA's incredible innovations, we've uncovered the origins of 5 groundbreaking technologies: memory foam, invisible braces, scratch-resistant lenses, and more. Each of these advancements started with a mission in space but found a lasting impact on Earth, enhancing our comfort, health, and efficiency in ways we never imagined. But there's more to discover. Join us next time as we dive into 5 more unbelievable NASA inventions that continue to transform our daily lives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating stories about history, inventions, technology, and the secrets that shape our world.